Today we will perform an activity to find the focal length of a given concave mirror. For this I am using a concave mirror. The focal length of concave mirror we need to find. You can observe this is a concave mirror curved inwards, and you can use one screen, this one or this one. You should not interrupt the light source, and for light source we use sun rays. As we know very well, sun is at an infinity distance. The rays coming from the sun, the parallel rays coming from the sun, when they intersect on concave mirror, they will get reflected and they will converge at a point. That point is called focal point, and the distance between that mirror and focal point we know very well, that is focal length. So therefore, for this we require mirror, screen and sun rays. So we need to catch the sun rays, adjust the screen in such a way that it should not interrupt sun rays, and we need to catch the image of the sun, a sharp, smallest and brightest image. So move the screen front, back, try to catch the image, sharp and brightest, smallest image. That is the focal point of this concave mirror. With the help of scale, you measure the distance from the pole of this mirror and screen. Okay, so we'll try. Now we'll try to catch the sharp image of the sun on the screen. Now you see it's not sharp image. I am trying to come closer and closer. There you are getting a bright and sharp image if you observe carefully. If I come closer, again it is blurred. So I am moving away. Somewhere here, is it not? So this is the converging point of this mirror. If you measure the distance from the scale, it is approximately from lens. If you observe the distance, approximately it is 20. So the focal length of this concave mirror is 20. If you move away, what happens? Multiple images, so blur image. Okay. If you come closer, at a distance around 20 centimeters, you are getting a sharp and bright point. So this is this we can say a sharp and bright point, is it not? If you come closer, what happens? Again difference. So adjust the screen in such a way that you should get a small and bright spot, and if you measure the distance from mirror to screen, it will be approximately 20. So therefore we can find the focal length of any given mirror by catching sharp image on the screen and by measuring the distance between mirror and screen. So I am moving away, coming closer. So this is the place where you are getting sharp and bright image. Okay, this is the place. If you come closer, again you will get a blur image. So this is the place approximately. This is the place. Okay.